Hello. I wanted to do a quick video to show you how to open an assignment and to submit. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and back up here. You need to start the class at the Start Here button and watch these videos, look through the syllabi, etc. And then, once you're ready, you can proceed to the lessons. Lesson 1, Lesson 2, Lesson 3. So you see the lessons will be laid out for you on this lessons page going all the way down to Lesson 8. We are going to do Lesson 1. I recommend you do one lesson per week, or per 2 weeks. Pace yourself out. And let's go ahead and I'll have to fix I'll fix the dates for our new semester. But what I want to illustrate in this is how to get into the lessons folder. You see Lesson 1, Lesson 2, Lesson 3, Lesson 4, Lesson 5, Lesson 6, 7, and 8. Again, I'll fix the dates, but to correspond to whatever semester we're on. But to get into the lessons, click onto the link, the title. The titles usually serve as links to these, and then you'll see the objectives. Now, if there is no link on the title, then this is all you get. I just have this here opened up so that you can see what's on this page down here. So these icons, now these may change in the future, but learn how to identify a certain icon with the type of item you're seeing, and this sort of icon with this sort of title, nothing changes, nothing opens. This is it. This is all you get. So this is just a list right here, and I type it out fully so you can see everything you will need to do. This is the grading system. Everything about the grading system is right here. There are no hidden links or anything. Now, every now and then with an icon you might see an attachment, and you might have to click under the attachment. It might be located right under the title, but there's no way to open up any other space for these items. However, when you see this sort of icon, and then I identify it with a video, you can just click on that and watch it, and notice how the title becomes a link. So anytime that as you hover over a title, it becomes a link like this, you ought to click it. You need to click it to find out what else is there. If it doesn't become a link, then just read it and that's it. All right. Now, all of these should take you either to YouTube or Vimeo. Let's just go ahead and try this out. So you click on it, and you should see the video loading. It depends on your computer's memory, and now this is a very poorly done video, but it was done at a moment's notice for some other things. So first of all, I want to I'm going to X out on it of the video, but it'll work. Okay. So anytime you see a title of one of these items turn into a link, you need to click on it. So here is an assignment. Here's another assignment. I usually try to label assignments as assignments. So the way you do this, okay, let's just say this one. You have to, click on the attached file. So to open the file, you click on it here. You'll find a page with 2 paragraphs on it, all scrambled up. These don't look like paragraphs. They look like lists of separate sentences. In other words, you're going to have to take sentences I give you in this handout and put them together into a paragraph, okay? And once you're ready to submit it, well, you have to click on the title here, and you open it up. It'll give you the information again. The number 1 is the information again, the instructions, the points possible. Here's the assignment file. Okay, now I'll just open it so you can see. You click on that, and let's see. This is not it. This is something else I had on, but now it's coming. Here we go. This is the assignment, and you can see here are the instructions. And you need to take these sentences and make paragraphs out of them and mix them around. Maybe this should go first. Maybe this one should go first. There's and you need to read this page carefully. But once you're ready to go, you go back over to the assignment and you enter it in. Now, where in the world do you enter it in? I really don't want you to send me files. I would rather you type the submission, and here it says right here, type submission. I can't tell you how many times I have students that actually come down here and try to give me the assignment down here. This is just for stuff you want to tell me about the assignment. Here is where I want the assignment. You click on type submission, and then you start typing right here. You have your tools to make it look good, and if you want the box to be bigger, just go ahead and pull it down, and now you have all this space to type in. Okay, this is the assignment submission box. Do not send me your assignments in the comment box. Alright, so I kid you not, I've had students go through the whole semester sending me their stuff with comments and in comments, and no, I need you to send them in the submission box. So I hope that this quick video has I'm going to cancel this, has helped clear this up. But that's one thing I wanted to make you aware of, is where to find the type submission link in a submission, in an assignment submission. So, and again, what I would say is, anytime you see the icon and it's, this type of icon means this type of thing. In this case, a video. This kind of icon means something I have to actually write and submit. Now, at one point, I did do a video and I attached it right into Blackboard, as you see here. But then I realized if I were to do this with all of my videos, the memory would be quite a bit. I mean, I would have to use up a lot of data space. So I just decided to use YouTube and Vimeo, but not for this one. This one I guess I still left in here. So this is going to be maybe the one time you find an embedded video. To play this one, just click on play. See, these are videos. Or actually, they're links to the World Wide Web, right? They're links to the web. But for me, that's almost always going to be a link to YouTube or Vimeo. Okay, so I hope that has cleared it up. You'll see those in weeks 2, 3, 4, and 5. So thank you for watching the video.